Let's explore on how to send voice messages on Discord PC. So let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is to log into our Discord account by clicking open Discord right here. Okay, so Discord offers voice messages that will give you the ability to send an audio recording directly to your friends. But for now, you can only send voice messages through a direct message, group direct message, or in a server with voice messages enabled. And this can be listened to any device where you can access Discord, but only be sent through the mobile app. Now, how to send voice messages? So there are two ways to record and send a voice message after navigating to the DM or server where you want to send a voice message, right? So the first thing you need to do is press and hold on the mic button on the left right of the chat input box until you are done recording your message, right? And the next thing is, once completed, release the button to send the message. And also you need to remember that while pressing and holding the mic button, swipe up to lock the recording mode in place once you're done recording, and tap on send right here. Okay, now say for example you are not happy with the recorded messages that you sent. What you need to do for you to cancel that voice message, while pressing and holding the mic button down while recording, drag your finger to that trash icon on the left side, all right, right here, and then release. All right, after swiping up to lock recording mode in place, in order to cancel the recording, just tap the trash icon on the left side right here. It's very easy. You can also listen to voice messages on either desktop or mobile device. To listen, simply click the play button here, as you can see, on any message for it to play, and the audio will play through your default device. If you're on a mobile, do not have an external audio device connected because the audio will play through your mobile speakers, right? Now, if you wanted to know how to disable voice messages on your server, all right, simply, all I'm gonna do, you can disable or enable them per role. To do so, go to server settings, role, and navigate to the send voice messages toggle to enable or disable. Now, for example, you are having problems sending or deleting your voice messages on Discord, be it on mobile app or on your desktop device. What I need you to do is, on your mobile app, you need to reload your Discord app or clear cache data. Sometimes there are glitch that happens, so if that doesn't work, you need to reinstall and install the app. All right, then try it again. If it still does not work, you might want to contact the Discord app support and tell them you are having problems sending voice messages on Discord PC. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.